Getting started in digital marketing can feel like you're trying to solve a massive puzzle. There are strategies, tools, platforms, and plenty of ways to get it wrong. Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 mistakes that beginners make and, more importantly, how you can avoid them. Stick around to save yourself months of trial and error. When you're new to digital marketing, the first instinct is to sign up for every platform under the sun. You sign up for Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, and even RedNote. You think the more places I'm active, the more people I reach. But here's the truth. Being everywhere doesn't mean that you'll be effective. In fact, it usually leads to burnout and inconsistent messaging. The fix is to start small and be strategic. Think about where your target audience hangs out the most. If you're targeting Gen Zs, TikTok is where they're scrolling for hours. If you're targeting young professionals, LinkedIn is their playground. If your audience love visuals, Instagram or Pinterest is where you should focus. Pick 1 or 2 platforms and master them before expanding. This will allow you to deliver consistent, high-quality content without overwhelming yourself. The second mistake is ignoring your target audience. I see this mistake all the time. Creating content without a clear picture of who it's for. If you're trying to appeal to everyone, you're actually connecting with no one. Your message becomes generic and your campaigns just fall flat. The fix: get clear about your target audience. Ask yourself this: who are they? What are their pain points or challenges? What type of content are they engaging with? Here's a tip: use social media analytic tools like TikTok search bar or Instagram polls to gather direct insights from your audience. Don't be afraid to engage with them directly. Comments, DMs, and even surveys can give you valuable data. Create content that makes your audience feel like you're speaking directly to them. Let's be honest, numbers and data can be intimidating, but skipping analytics is like running a race blindfolded. Without tracking your performance, you don't know what's working and what's not, or where to invest your energy. Start small. Every platform has built-in analytic tools that you can use. Instagram Insights show you which posts are driving engagement. Google Analytics can help you track your website traffic. TikTok Analytics reveals which videos are performing best. Look at metrics like click-through rates, watch time, and conversion. Let the data tell you what your audience loves and then double down on that. Remember, analytics are your roadmap to smarter marketing. There's a saying in marketing: content is king. But here's the catch. If your content is sloppy, irrelevant, or doesn't add value, your audience will scroll right past it. Posting just for the sake of posting isn't enough anymore. Focus on quality over quantity. Take time to plan and create content that resonates with your audience. If you're in fashion, show them how to style pieces in real life. If you're a videographer, share behind the scenes of your projects to showcase your skills. If you're a small business, highlight your process or tell the story of your brand. Use free tools like Canva for designing posts or CapCut for editing videos, because these are beginner friendly and allow you to create polished content that stands out. Imagine creating an amazing ad or a post and your audience loves it, but they don't know what to do next. This is where so many beginners drop the ball. Without a clear call to action, CTA, you're leaving potential customers in limbo. Every piece of content needs a purpose, whether it's to follow your page, visit your website, or subscribe to your newsletter, or even book a consultation. Be explicit. For example, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Don't just assume your audience knows what to do. Guide them every step of the way. Here's a bonus mistake. So many beginners wait for clients to magically find them. And that's not how it works, especially when you're just starting out. You should reach out to small businesses in your area and offer your services at a discounted rate or even for free initially, because it's not always about the money. Sometimes it's just about building your portfolio and gaining experience. For instance, approach local cafes, gyms, or boutique stores and pitch ideas on how you can improve their social media pages or email marketing. The real-world experience you gain here will be priceless. Digital marketing is full of opportunities, but avoiding these beginner mistakes can save you months of frustration. Start small, focus on your audience, track your progress, and most importantly, always provide value. Want to dive deeper into this journey? Check out our video on how to start digital marketing with no experience for step-by-step guidance. I'll see you in the next one.